Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming basics so you can focus on fixes that matter. Check the router power and Wi-Fi LED, then restart the router if it looks offline. Next, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and make sure Wi-Fi is toggled on. This reinitializes the adapter in Windows. Once done, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset radio states, then immediately inspect the available networks list so you can see whether the SSID appears. You continue by running the built-in network troubleshooter. It automates common fixes and points out missing services or drivers. If that doesn't show the SSID, open Device Manager, find your wireless adapter, and update the driver. If a recent update caused issues, roll back instead. Make sure the adapter is enabled. Then open an elevated command prompt and run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset to clear socket and IP stack corruption. Restart Windows after these commands to apply changes. You finish by using Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings Network reset to reinstall adapters and restore defaults. This resolves stubborn software-level issues. Make sure the router is broadcasting the SSID and that the band settings match your laptop capabilities. Switch between 2, 4, and 5 GHz if needed. If the network remains hidden, test connectivity from another device to isolate the problem. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.